Kim Kardashian problem. All the instructions are in Japanese. I always see Kim with her very straight, sleek, shiny hair, and who knew? Let's see if the results actually match my very high expectations now. Hola gente! What is up my warrior angels? Welcome to yet another video where we test out new hair care for the first time on camera. I couldn't be more intrigued. We're going to be testing out Kim Kardashian's 5-step hair care routine. She has mentioned in past interviews that she is in a position where she can pretty much pick any brands she wants to work with. Now that said, I do wonder if her hair care routine is going to be compatible with what my hair needs. So let's get going. We have tons of products to test out and apply.
Between concrete walls, there's a place for us. Do you wanna follow?
Alright, so step 1 is Oplex number 3. I think it is no secret that Kim loves Oplex. I believe she was one of the first celebrities to ever speak about this product. And you guys know I already love Oplex number 3. I have tested out every single Oplex product. Well, almost. My Oplex number 0 is in customs. So my hair is already shampooed and towel dried. I wanted to start with a clean canvas to really give Kim K's hair routine a good test. So I did shampoo using my clarifying shampoo that I use. The Neutrogena one is going to be linked in the description box below. It's not Kim K's favorite shampoo. We're gonna get to that in just a second. So I want to make sure that my hair is sufficiently wet. And next I'm going to basically section so that I can very easily massage Oplex number 3 into smaller sections. I'm gonna leave these on for 30 minutes. Thanks to the magic of editing, that is all going to happen really fast. And we are back and ready to rinse out. The Oplex step is almost done. And this is the only one product that I've tried, at least so far, that truly does help kind of repair that damage. So moving on to step 2, we're going to be shampooing Oplex number 3 out of my hair, and for that I'm going to use, of course, Kim's favorite shampoo. This is the REDKEN FRIZZ Dismiss. I've actually been looking forward to trying their hair mask for the longest time. I think many of you guys actually requested that, and I'm pretty sure it's coming. At least today we get to test out the shampoo. You know my hair is a frizz ball. Anything that promises to fight frizz is something I want to try. FRIZZ Dismiss is formulated specifically to protect against humidity and smooth out the hair. So who knew? I always see Kim with her very straight, sleek, shiny hair, and who knew she had issues with frizz too? Maybe it's her secret. That was super nice. It's definitely not an aggressive shampoo. It doesn't feel like it's gonna dry my hair. So I mean, even now, it just feels as I am detangling my hair that I have some conditioner on, and the only thing I applied so far is the shampoo. It must be kind of a very hydrating type of shampoo, which makes sense because frizzy hair needs a lot of hydration. I'm impressed. And now, yes, let's move on to step 3, which is the hair mask. You guys know I constantly test out new hair treatments every single week. It's basically what we do here, and I was really excited to see that I've never tried anything by this brand before, and I get to do that today. A Japanese hair care product. I apologize in advance because I know I'm not going to pronounce this correctly, but this is the INPHENOM Superior Treatment Effect. Very, very high hopes about it because I've had such amazing experience with Japanese skincare in the past. Suspense. Ooh, wow. An exquisite packaging. Okay. Oh, it's good. It's definitely subtle. And let's touch this. Ooh, yeah. This is the type of very thick, rich texture that usually goes so well with my hair. So this may work. Okay, Houston, we have a problem. All the instructions are actually in Japanese. It may take a while for me to figure this out. Instructions in English are nowhere to be found. What I'm gonna do is basically use it as I would with any other hair mask. This is super rich, so I'm going to be applying about 2 fingers away from the roots and massaging the treatment into each strand of hair. This feels so nice, it's so satisfying, and I want to make sure that I fully saturate the top layer of my hair, which is the area that is more damaged. It's usually drier than the rest of my hair. Do you hear that? So satisfying. Okay, this area is done, so I'm gonna clip it. I guess I'm gonna leave this on for like 15 minutes. I'm absolutely clueless. I have no idea what I'm doing here. Fingers crossed, it's gonna be okay. Honestly, the reviews and the press this hair mask has had over the years is insane. Look at this. Refinery29 wrote, "This Japanese hair mask transformed my bleached hair by reinforcing hair's water/color pathway called CMC cell membrane complex. This collection boosts hair power to retain moisture." In other words, it is basically like hyaluronic acid for your hair. So far this sounds like a perfect fit for me. And then it says it also has jojoba esters, rosehip oil, and a blend of 11 amino acids that replenish moisture and hydration without weighing the hair down. Honestly, just for entertainment purposes, I was willing to test out anything that Kim K had on her hair care routine, but I'm kind of surprised that this is so, it feels like it has been designed for my hair. I definitely was not expecting that. At least it sounds amazing. Let's see if the results actually match my very high expectations now. The one con that it mentions is that it may be a little bit too heavy, and I agree, for hair that is finer and chemically processed. So mine is definitely not fine hair. It's, I would say, normal to thick hair type. The texture doesn't feel like something that someone with very fine hair would love. And this same article says that combining the INPHENOM Superior treatment with Oplex is actually a great combo. Oplex works on the inside of the hair and INPHENOM works on the outside. And I've talked about this multiple times. There's tons of things that Oplex doesn't do for you, such as hydrating the hair. All right, time is up. I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this off my hair, and then I'm gonna be right back. Okay, so removing that was a breeze. Considering its very thick consistency, this entire routine is not only helpful for detangling, like there's no tangles to begin with, if that makes sense. And I think part of the reason is that REDKEN shampoo that is so hydrating, and the other reason is such a rich hair mask. I would never do this without first going with my tangle teaser. All right, we're moving on to styling. There's 2 more products to go, 2 more steps. Actually, the next one is one that I use and recommend. Perfect if you ask me for very special events, occasions. I personally tested it out for the very first time for my brother's wedding. In fact, I'm gonna link that video right here. And it is the Color Wow Dream Coat. It rained that entire weekend, and it transforms the hair texture and creates a protective barrier against humidity so that your hair looks sleek, straight, longer. This is quite a pricey item for the amount you're getting inside. It's totally worth it for me, but for special occasions only. And you absolutely need to heat activate this product. So the first thing you want to do is spread liberally. And before blow drying, it is important to comb through so that you make sure it is evenly distributed throughout the hair and it's really coating. So So time to heat activate the Wow Dream Coat. I feel like using this very kind of pro yet lazy girl tool. This is my Hot Tools. I have no idea what hairstylist actually uses, but from the tools that I personally own, these two seem to be closer to what hairstylist will probably use. So I'm gonna section my hair in 3 different layers.
Enchanté.
I know I shouldn't be saying anything at this point because we're not done. There's still this one very interesting last step. It feels like I've dipped my hair in pure silk so far. This is going so well. I hope this final step doesn't ruin the whole thing. This is another product I've never even heard of, and it is by Redken as well. It is the Redken Diamond Oil Glow Dry, and it is supposed to be used either before or after blow drying. Clearly we're gonna do this after because according to Kim's routine, she previously applies the color Wow, and this one you can only apply before blow drying. If you haven't noticed, this is the product I chose to match my outfit against out of the entire routine. Maybe because it said Diamond Shine. Wow, do you guys see that? Looks like a diamond perfume. Very Kim Kardashian if you ask me. Visually appealing and looks so luxurious. I can totally picture this little bottle standing on the counter of the bathroom of one of her mansions. Okay, now I'm scared. It says multiple times on the packaging, highly flammable until dry. It says to avoid fire or any heat except for styling tools. So this must contain a ton of alcohol. And yes, it is actually the second ingredient. This contains both alcohol and silicone, heat activated silicone. Redken seems like a very serious company, so I'm just gonna take the leap of faith and just see what this does. If it doesn't work, I just will stop using it, and it was closed. Just applying 2 pumps, spread evenly. I was expecting some type of oil because it's called a diamond oil. Quite a present fragrance. It is not greasy. All right, so there we have it. This is the after using every single product. Very unexpectedly targeted every single hair concern that I have, from bleach damage with Oplex to tons of frizz control. I'm not gonna lie, this is a full glam hair care routine and I couldn't expect something different coming from her. Definitely there's tons of products involved that you cannot use every single day, but for very special occasions, I feel the results of these routine are absolutely phenomenal. I thought most of these products were going to be very hyped up, and you know me, at the end of the day, the only thing that matters to me is product performance. I'm gonna give this entire routine a thumbs up. I feel it is an amazing routine for a very special occasion or event. And that is a wrap. Let me know in the comments below what other celebrity hair care routines you'd like me to test out next. If you're enjoying this type of content, please let me know by subscribing, sharing, commenting, liking, and all those things. As always, every single product used and mentioned throughout this entire video is going to be listed and linked in the description box below. Thank you for your support if you decide to use my links on this or any of my other videos. It really does help keep this channel going. No matter what comes your way, stay brave. You are a warrior with the heart of an angel. And I will catch up with you guys again on Sunday. Ciao. Do you wanna follow? Click here.